Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to download Telegram. Telegram is a place where you can create your channel in order to post your games, your clothing, your business. So if you don't have the app, you can check the Google Play Store app or the Apple App Store for iOS in order to get the app. So let's click on Play Store. Then you search Telegram. So if you find this video helpful, click and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye.